Hello once again everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you my exercise, and this is bridge. I will put a weight on my stomach, and this is just a 10 pounds dumbbell. Kung may mas mabigat, mas maganda. So, ilagay ko sa tiyan ko. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 lang siya guys, pero nangalan ako. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Nangalan ko na. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Ano, sakit sa puwit. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Oh my goodness. Masakit guys. So 50. Try natin tapos mo. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Oh my goodness. So pahinga lang guys kasi masakit sa may back. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Oh my goodness. Sampo na lang. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Natapos. Okay guys, I'll see you tomorrow on my next exercise. Maybe I'm sharing with you.